Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to increase search speed by rebuild search index in Windows 10. So to increase search speed, you can rebuild search index on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So there are some easy and simple steps to do this. Click on firstly start, and then type indexing option. Now click on indexing options. Now here click on advanced. We can see amount of files or index. So to rebuild this index, click on advanced, then here click on rebuild. Delete and rebuild index, and it will make fast searches on your PC or laptop. So click on rebuild. Rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. If you are sure, so click on OK. Now wait for a while till this whole processor will be complete. As we can see, indexing is running. So wait, and when this processor will be complete. So this is friends, by these simple steps we can know how to increase search speed by rebuilding search index in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.